This is Ngozi from Sheikh Abubakar Gumi Academy. I hope you guys are doing well at home. You're not disturbing mommy. Remember to always wash your hand before you eat your food. Now today I'm going to teach you mathematics. And in our previous lesson, we've talked about counting and identification of number 1 to 100. But today we are going to another new topic, and the topic is numbers before and after. Numbers before and after. But before we start bringing out those numbers before and after, we need to know the meaning of before and after. Good. Now, number before is a number you write first before the next number. I repeat again. Number before is a number you write first before the next number. While number after is a number you write after a given number. Number before is a number you write first before you write the next number. While number after is a number you write after a given number. For example, maybe your teacher might have given you a single number. You say, write the number after this number. But before we start number after, let us go to number before. For example, you cannot write, if I say, okay, count 1 to 10. You start from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. No, you have to start from the beginning. So the number you write before number 2 is what? 1. Before you can write number 2, you must write number 1. That means number 1 is the number before. Good. 1 before 2. So the number you write before 3, and you cannot count 3, 2, 1. No. When you count 1, the number before 2 is 1. Now you go to the next number, 2 before 3. So before you write number 3, you must write number 2. So number 2 is the number before number 3. Good. Paste it. 3. Paste it. 2. That is 1, 2. So 2 before 3. Before you write, after writing 2, the next number is going to be what? 3. So the number before 4 is 3. Paste it. Good. 1 before 2, 2 before 3, then 3 before 4. 3 before 4. Now we say 1 before 2, 2 before 3, 3 before 4, 4 before 5. That is number 5. Good. Now we say 4 before 5. Then 5 before which number? 6. Paste it. Good. Now before 7. 6 before 7. 7. You paste it. Now we write 7 first before we write 8. So the number before 8 is what? 7. 8. So these are the number before. So number before is the number we write before the next number. Now let's go to number after. Number after. Remember I told you that number after is a number you write after a given number. Number after is a number you write before a given number. For example, your teacher gave you 10. He said this is number 10. Now what is the number after 10? Number after. This is 10. I've given you 10. So give me the number after 10. And the number after 10 is what? 11. 11. Good. Now I'm giving you number 12. Give me the number after 12. I've given you the number 12. Now give me the number after 12. The number after 12 is 13. The number after 12 is 13. Good. Now the number after 10 is 11. The number after 11 is, the number after 12 is 13. Good. Now let's look for another number. We have 15. We have 15. This is 15. I'm giving you 15. So which number is written after 15? Is what? 16. 15, 16. This is a given number, which is 15. Then after is what? 16. You cannot count 16 before 15. You count 15 before 16. Now I'm giving you another number, which is 19. I know you all have counted number 1 to 100. So now we have 19 as a given number. So which number comes after 19? Is what? 20. After 19 is what? 20. So 20 comes after 19. Now we have another number, which is 17. 17 is a given number. They say, give me a number that is after 17. So the number after 17 is what? 18. You can see all these are the examples, the number before and the number after. Number before is a number written before the next number. While after, number after is a number you write after a given number. Now let's go to our home phone. This is your home phone. You're going to write it. Remember, my balloon is still waiting for you. Now this is the home phone. They say, write out the numbers before. Write out the number before. Now here we have 11, 13, 15, 8, 10, and 6. So you can see before 11 we have 10. So you are going to fill all this for me. Now let's go to number after. Write out the number after a given number. Now I have given you 6, 8, 13, 9, 14, and 4. Now the example 6. 6 is given. So the number after 6 is what? 7. So you're going to do all this for me. Make sure you write it. Keep it for me when we resume. By God's grace, inshallah, you submit. Stay safe. Make sure you help mommy at home. This is Miss Ngozi again. I love you all.